Hi there and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. So for those of you who watched my last video, you'll know that this is my latest project. It's taking down this old woodshed. It's full of wood, plastic and lots of other junk that I've saved over the years. But it's time for this to come down because I'm transforming this whole area into a new paradise garden. Somewhere I can sit and just enjoy the sunshine, especially in the spring and the summer, and even in the autumn if the sun ever comes out again. So I'm going to get started on this. I'm going to empty it first, then I'm going to take the sledgehammer to it and knock it down to the ground because I need the space. It's not really serving a very good purpose for me at the moment. So I'm going to get on. But if you're enjoying this kind of thing, if you like allotment videos and channels and gardening, that kind of thing, please give me one of them big thumbs up. It really does help the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that also. And if you want to be really, really nice and you've got the ability to, just swipe along the comment section and give me some hype points. That helps this video and this channel and me as well. So thank you very much. I'm now going to get on with clearing this shed. So wish me luck. Okay, just starting to make a bit of progress now. As you can see, there's the floor. And as we get in, just starting to clear this bit by bit. Look at the state of that roof. Kind of held up by one bending crossbeam, and all the corrugated iron has just all started to break down, hence why it leaks. So it's not even a very good woodshed because it does get wet. And for some reason I've collected so much plastic, and the idea was to use it with some kind of tarpaulin, but it's I've ended up with too much. So let's keep going. Okay, the wood shed, as it was formerly known, is now clear. As you can see, it really was starting to fall apart, and that's why this has to come down. We've got holes in the roof, it's leaking. It would probably fall down eventually anyway. So I've got my trusty sledgehammer. I really probably need a crowbar as well, but I haven't brought that with me. So let's just start smashing it, see what happens. I'm going to take this piece off first. Okay, that'll come off, but I've just realised that's partly holding that up. I don't want to be inside that really. I think I'll be okay. That's holding most of that up. Wish me luck. Okay, it was kind of what I thought would happen, but I got away with it. That's actually snapped there. That's why that's just come down. I'm best being out here, I think. There you go. Wasn't too bad. Let's take that side off. A few good whacks. So there's big rocks on top as well. Don't want that landing on my head. Okay, we're nearly there. Some bit to the top there really would come in handy if I had my crowbar. I'm just gonna have to keep smashing it and hope for the best, really. That's what's been holding it up. A bent piece of wood. Right, I'm making a bit of progress. This is the last piece of roof on this side. Or should I say it's got one nail left in it. Let's see if I can get it down. That was all right. Now I really want to try and get that piece off, because then I think these will come with it. Okay, last bit of roof to come off. I think there's only one nail left in it. And we've done it. Okay, this is literally the last piece. I'm going to try and tidy all this up now, get this really cleared, then I can see exactly what it's going to look like, ready for the paradise garden that's going to go here. Time to tidy. Right, that is enough for one day. Here is the area now. Obviously, before and after. The woodshed is no more, and this will now become my lovely little seating area round the back of the polytunnel and the greenhouse. And that is where the sun is just about to hit. It's coming round. Please ignore the messy corner. That'll be for another day. So, right, hope you've enjoyed this video. This is just about me clearing this area. This is the winter. This is when we do these things, because I'm not tending to all my plants. I could do the bigger jobs, the ones that take that time, but obviously in the winter things aren't growing. So this is what's going to be going here. This is going to become the paradise garden. If this is the kind of thing you like to see, you want to see how it evolves over the winter and then obviously into the summer, please give me one of those, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care everyone. Bye now.